What if I told you this luxury wallet begins with a process almost nobody has ever seen?
From raw leather to a premium wallet, every stage happens inside one incredible mega factory. Stay until the end to see how this masterpiece is created, step by step. Each movement forms part of a larger natural rhythm. Every step follows the quiet rhythm of the protected habitat. Morning light reveals the full scale of the wildlife sanctuary. The carefully managed loading process begins with calm and controlled movement. Every step is completed with precision and professional care. Final safety checks prepare the transport for the next stage.
They look magnificent, don't they? Safest way to travel.
The transport continues safely toward its destination. The destination comes into view as the convoy arrives. Harry on security, gate is clear. Send the convoy through. Roger that. Bay assignment confirmed. The next stage begins inside the Harry-on manufacturing facility. The unloading operation begins with careful preparation.
Steady, big fella. Watch your step right here. Yeah. Almost down. Keep coming.
The transport shifts smoothly into the next stage.
Every animal is unloaded with precision and care.
The guided movement continues inside the factory. The arrival is complete as preparation continues for the next phase. Every horse is guided carefully toward the inspection area. A complete health inspection begins under professional supervision. Every horse receives a detailed health assessment. Modern technology supports every stage of the inspection. Renal function is within normal parameters, and the cardiac rhythm is steady.
All right, let's finalize the approval tag.
With the inspection complete, the process moves forward. The cleaning process begins with carefully prepared leather hides. Every hide is cleaned with precision and consistency. Continuous inspection ensures uniform cleaning.
The washing stage prepares the hides for the next operation.
A final rinse completes the cleaning stage.
The washing process is complete, and the hides continue forward.
Modern technology shapes every leather sheet with precision. Every surface is refined for consistent quality. Every sheet is inspected before moving forward. Final finishing prepares the leather for precision manufacturing.
The leather sheets are complete and ready for precision cutting.
Precision cutting begins with carefully selected leather. Every wallet component is cut with exceptional accuracy. Each component is sorted for efficient assembly.
Careful inspection ensures every component meets quality standards.
The precision-cut wallet components are now ready for assembly and stitching. The selected leather moves to the next production stage. Every component is prepared for precise assembly. Precision assembly creates the foundation of every wallet. Every stitch adds strength and craftsmanship. Fine finishing perfects every detail. Every wallet is inspected to meet premium standards. The final signature completes the identity of each wallet. The finishing touch enhances every detail. Every detail reflects premium craftsmanship. Precision and craftsmanship come together in one premium design. From premium leather to timeless craftsmanship, every Harry-On wallet is built to inspire. Every wallet receives protective packaging before shipment. Secure packaging preserves premium quality. The finished products are ready for worldwide delivery. The global journey begins from the factory gates. Premium craftsmanship now travels across the world. Innovation, precision, and craftsmanship define every Harry-On product. Thank you for watching. See you in the next Harry-On factory journey.